Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do some window cleaning today. I've already cleaned most of these windows, but I'm just wanting to show you acid rain. You see that? A lot of people have trouble trying to clean this stuff. I used to clean it a long time ago with a buffer, and I learned quick that you will heat it up too much and bust the glass. So that stopped very quickly. But I'm going to show this is the stuff we want to get out. This is the product I use. A slow buffer would probably be good, but this stuff cakes up really, a whole bunch, and it really does the job though. Let me show y'all how we're going to do this. Just take some, put a little dab on there, rub it in real good. I haven't posted a video in a while, and I figured I would. And this stuff makes it really easy compared to... And this stuff's been out for a while. So that was back in the Stone Age when I used to do this stuff. When I was like 15 and getting into this stuff with my cars. If you ever have your rain sensors acting crazy on your car, if you have automatic rain sensors, I've done this before and it's made them act right. It was never a bad sensor. You can still see some right there. But you can see most of it's already gone. Probably apply a little bit more. I'm sitting here holding this video and kind of hard. There you go. This is what I've already done. This back window was horrible. See how good it looks. Got some dust on it, but I did this last night. It makes it look a lot better whenever you have tinted windows and it's got that acid rain look on it. Oh, so much better when you clean them like that. Alright, but I appreciate it. Hope y'all like it. Thank you.